I guide you to delete search history on YouTube app. So let's scroll to find the YouTube and you need to hop into the YouTube first. From there, let's say I'm searching for songs. Now you could see I have made a search related to the songs. So you could see in the search history, I can tap on the U for seeing that search history. And from there, you need to tap on settings. You need to scroll to find manage all history. So if you tap on that, here it will give you the access for all your search history and even your watch history too. So let's say if I scroll to find my search history, so if I tap on that, so here you could see my search history here. So if you need to delete that, you need to tap on this little X mark like this, or otherwise you need to find the delete option which is above there. And let's say if you tap on that, it will show you the time range between those three options like today, custom range, and all time. Let's say I'm tapping on delete custom range. I can select the date before and after for deleting those search history or watch history. So I can tap on delete anytime, all time also. I can tap on delete today, and that could be deleted. This is how you delete search history on YouTube app. Thank you.